Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Noir and this is Honey Lover Friend, where I share what I love to love, plus more to enjoy the sweeter things in life. Now in today's video, let's talk style. I love to curate affordable fashion to amplify the aesthetic. Today I'm going to show you some looks that I put together while we talk about my summer wardrobe essentials. And if you love what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so for this look, the key essential is a statement top. We have an all-white 3D flower crop top that we've paired with high-waisted black trousers and then matched it with the very trendy mesh heels. And so because the top is the statement piece, we're not doing too much when it comes to accessories. And then depending on the event, if you're indoors or outdoors, I've draped this black collarless blazer that fits perfectly with the full ensemble. So to keep it very easy breezy, the next outfit is a dress. It's in a very boho chic black and white paisley print, and then I use the accessories to amplify the fit. And so the wardrobe essential is the dress, and an easy breezy dress is perfect for the summer months because it's just, you don't have to put too much thought into it, just throw it on and that's your full fit. We have some bronze slip-on sandals, and then we have the very bold gold earring that's just very ornamental and helps to elevate the outfit, making it look a little bit more dressed up. Now the dress does fit a little bit oversized, but that's because my weight tends to fluctuate. So based on when I purchased it, it does fit much differently, but you may want to belt this dress. I feel like the way that I put this fit together this time, I'm wearing it somewhere more like work and nothing too festive. So I just left it easy breezy. And then at the back of the dress, to make it super chic, we have this bow tie backless detail, which you could always wear like a tank bodysuit underneath if you wanted to conceal that, but that just gives it a little bit more zhuzh. It's not just a regular plain Jane baby doll dress. We have a little bit of. And so for this next outfit, I felt like this is an easy way to wear all black during the summer. We have this oversized black blazer, which is one of my wardrobe signatures. I love a blazer all year round, and just wore a bra underneath so that we're not overdressed and overheated. And then I paired it with these sheer edgy leggings. Sheer is very on trend. And then although the outfit is all black, this is where you're getting a little bit more airy so you don't feel too hot and congested. I think that this is an outfit that's more appropriate for some type of nightlife chic event. To not make the outfit look too heavy, I brought in the pink nude pumps. I think that the added accessories made the outfit feel a lot more zhuzh. We just wanted to add like subtle details to amplify the fit. So the very chunky, artsy gold necklace accessory really did that for me. For this fit, the wardrobe essential was definitely the blazer. A lighter alternative is a blazer vest. So something with the same type of structure, but sleeveless, like the one I have here, is perfect. Because a blazer always dresses up any outfit. So even though we went a little bit risque on the bottom, the blazer kind of pulled it together to make it not be doing too much.
Even though there's nothing wrong with doing too much, I tend to do the most.
Okay, so for this outfit, I decided to pair a graphic tee and went with something a little bit more trendy and tried out jorts. So basically I took one of my oversized pair of jeans that I thrifted and I cut them into mid-length shorts and experimented with the trend. So the graphic tee is the summer wardrobe essential, and then I just paired it with a current summer trend. And to make it a little bit more fun and fashion and add my own personal style flair, I paired it with these also very on trend leopard print stocking socks. And so I continued to do the most. And I paired it with these heels. And so the heels giving sexy, chic sophistication, but then the stocking socks are just like, who is she and what is she doing? And then the whole look together is just, to me, it sums up street style. Don't be afraid to experiment with your clothes. They're your clothes. You may want to dress for the occasion, but who cares? Wear whatever you want. And remember, it's not what you wear, it's how you rock it. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna be outside. Hate it or love it. And one of my favorite parts of the outfit is definitely the graphic tee. It is a print of the Michael Jackson album cover for the Dangerous album. Eccentric and detailed the shirt is with the gold tones. I felt like it also wasn't your average regular graphic tee, and it just fit with my whole aesthetic. And this is your sign to experiment with your clothes. Shop your closet, pull stuff out, play dress up, and life is what you make it. I also had these glasses that I wanted to pair with that outfit just to kind of make it a little bit more modern, but also very much 90s, which is where the jorts come in and the graphic tee. And so putting this kind of gave it a little bit more of a cool factor. So picture that and put it all together. And just like the easy breezy dress, it's always great to have a two-piece set. Here I'm wearing a yellow pinstripe two-piece set, long sleeve top and shorts. And to me, it's just a quick outfit throw on. You could dress it up, dress it down, depending on the occasion. Pair it with some all white sneakers, or do what I did, all white pointy toe kitten heels to make it feel a little bit more dressed up. Again, to amplify the aesthetic. And then for the styling, we rolled up the sleeves. You can go with a front tuck, half tuck, full tuck. You have many options when it comes to this style. I feel like the full tuck, the 360 tuck, gives it a little bit more country club chic. And so I went with that this round. And this outfit is pretty simple. I just used the white and the pinstripes, pulled that out to match the white and the shoes. And then my signature accessory is sunglasses. So I came in with these yellow tinted frames that I felt matched perfectly and spoke to my personal style. You could always add more accessories to this outfit and you're at a whole new event. So you can play with the details depending on the occasion. Okay, and so for this outfit, we have a classic all white summer look. A white button up is one of my all-time wardrobe favorites. I wear them year round. Summer months, you can go with a lighter fabric. So here I am wearing a linen version. I paired it with some all white denims. It's a quick and easy outfit formula, all white. And then I went with the barely there sandals because I didn't want the look to do too much. I just wanted it to be simple and chic. This version of the shirt is a perfect example of an elevated basic. So we have the linen fabric, but then we also have the peekaboo button cutout situation in the back to give it the zhuzh that we're looking for. So now this outfit has to be my favorite. So the idea I was going for was maxi skirt. In my mind, I was also thinking, how do I make this a bubble skirt? Like, I wanted to play with the proportions. The bottom is actually a gown that I repurposed or restyled. I just twist and turned and played with the proportions to give it the look that I was looking for. To me, it's more of a runway-esque vibe, like very on trend with the 3D floral. To me, it looks like a tulip. So that's kind of what I was playing around with as well, that concept. What I did is fold in the dress down to the skirt portion, and then I took a string in the same color and then used it to pull in that section of the dress. So now we have a deep split jolie moment, and I just played with the proportions, and that's what I came up with, and I love it. For this outfit, I had to fight myself not to go full grunge. I definitely want to pick out my Doc Martens, but that really wasn't the vibe. So I went with these hybrids. It still gave me that rugged, edgy look that I was looking for with this outfit. If I had paired it with heels, then it would have looked a little bit too formal. To give it that balance, I had to come in with something rugged. So I love that, and it just worked together perfectly. So we're gonna say the maxi skirt is the wardrobe essential. It was also perfect that the dress was in red, which is also an on-trend color for the season. So this full look is serving trends. So pearls, sheer, lace, and to me, it's truly a fashion girl moment. So just play with proportions, play dress up, and take inspiration from the runway, there's Pinterest, and just make it your own. You want to remix the style elements, so just focus on the wardrobe essentials. Do you have a maxi skirt? Do you have a white button up? Do you have a two-piece set? Whatever it is that's in your closet, pull it out and make it your own. It doesn't have to be the same color, shape. Work with what you have. All you have is all you need. So that's all the things for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let me see your hands.